So I have our father and son team here, Renato and Luigi. They are both local guys. They're from Gibsonia, Pennsylvania. And father and son are starting their own auto detailing business. And they just completed our 3-day Details certified detailer private license training program. So what do you guys think of the marketing day? Whoever wants to chime in?
It was great. We learned how to, first of all, structure ourselves, be prepared, how to interact with customers, how to properly quote them, how to measure everything out cost-wise, how to plan out how to spread your business, your name out there.
Awareness,
overall,
yeah,
awareness
the sales funnel.
is everything. Yes.
What about social media?
Social media is great as well. Also, the support we have, learning all the terms and everything. It was great. Just great.
So it's definitely going to help you get this thing going.
Yes.
Did you want to add anything to that, Dad?
Not just that, but like we pretty much understood how to open the business, how to have a good structure with insurance, make sure that all the customer is covered, and we can not just do a very good job, but like be reliable and
Sure.
Structure for the customer as well.
Sure.
And
Very good. Excellent. Now, yesterday, which was Wednesday, was the exterior paint correction,
yes,
paint polishing, ceramic coatings, plus the wash and prep that we did first. Luigi, what do you think of that?
A lot of information, but the team very easy to understand and overall interact with the tools and products. Having the right tools and using the right products makes a huge difference.
Definitely.
So contact them if you guys need anything.
Definitely.
But yeah, the steps are very thorough and they're very efficient.
Thank you. Yep, you guys did great too. Yeah. What about you, Renato? Anything you want to add to that?
The car looked completely different after finish. Wash a car like everybody knows, it's really simple. But like when you start to do a detailing of the car and you have a lot of steps to do and follow a very specific protocol with right tools and right products, and for sure you can have an incredible result. And we love the ceramic coating.
Absolutely, you guys did a great job.
Yeah, it's great.
What do you guys think of the interior day?
It was I have a brand new car again. I did my car.
That's right. We did
It's
we did your Tesla
fantastic,
interior
yes.
today.
And I didn't know that we can do like the ceramic coat as well, and
coating the interior. Yep.
Coating interior looks amazing, fantastic. Sure gonna recommend everybody to do this. My car looks amazing. I'm in love again with my car.
Excellent. You guys did a great job, and of course so did the trainers, Chris and Chase. Good job to them.
Perfect.
Oh yeah, perfect.
Yeah, they're great.
Great
They're
guys.
great. Wouldn't be able to do it without them. So now, you guys are both Detail Czar and Jade Ceramic Coating certified. Yeah. Congratulations. And we're going to get your order together right now so you can take it home with you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.